Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share another Mexican recipe that is Mexican pizza. So you can see the crust is so crispy and it has all the vegetables. Isn't it looking so tempting and delicious? So you can make your own way, and this is my favorite Mexican pizza, and it's better than Taco Bell. So let's start the recipe. You need a pinto beans. Here I am making a big batch, so that way I can save it for kids lunchbox, and I can make it any other recipe with the refried beans. So for that, here I have taken around 3 cups of pinto beans and 1 cup of black beans. You can use only pinto beans or only black beans. So, or if you don't have a pinto beans or black beans, you can use the rajma, that is kidney beans. So I will soak them for 8 hours, and then we will pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles with the salt. So here I have taken 3 cups of pinto beans and 1 cup of black beans, and I have taken a tortilla, this flour tortilla, and I will prick them as I'm gonna fry them, so it don't get puffed up. So into the hot oil I'm adding the tortilla. If you don't want to deep fry them, you can definitely bake them in an oven or air fry them with a brush. You can brush the oil and you can bake them. So now we will fry them until it's get crispy on both sides. So you can see it won't take too much time. So it's ready. It takes around 1 to 2 minutes to get fried. I will put them in a paper towel. Now you can see I have prepared all the tortillas. Now we will check the beans. You can see it has cooked pretty well. So to check if it's cooked or not, you can press them between your fingers. It's pressing easily, so it's cooked. Now into the bowl we will take out the excess water, so we can use it if we need to adjust the gravy consistency. We will make it paste. So I'm using hand blender. You can use a potato masher. So this is quick way to make a puree. So first we will make like a puree. Once it gets cooled down at the room temperature, it will get thickened up like a paste. So we want like a runny consistency at this moment. For seasoning, I'm adding a taco seasoning. If you don't have a taco seasoning, you can add like garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, salt, oregano. So it's totally fine. Here I'm adding around 3 tablespoons. I will taste it and then adjust taste. You can add more or less. So for the topping, I'm going to add vegetables. For that I have taken onions, bell peppers, black olives, some jalapenos, and tomatoes. You can take any vegetable of your choice. You can add more or less. You can even add fresh jalapenos, that tastes good. I'm taking a salsa. Here I'm using a store-bought salsa. You can use any kind of sauce, taco sauce. This is the beans that we have prepared earlier. It's get thickened, like it's completely cooled down. And here I'm using a cheese. You can use any kind of cheese. I'm using a Mexican cheese. So I will show you 2 different ways to prepare the Mexican pizza. So I'm taking 2 tortillas, that fried tortillas, and on one I will apply the beans. Make sure you apply all the sides generously. spread the beans all over. Now we will place the second piece on a top. Now we will put the salsa. Make sure you cover all the sides. Now it's time to add vegetables. Here I'm adding onions. Now bell pepper. Tomatoes. Now I will add cheese. And onto that I am adding olives. I like to add olives and jalapeno on top. And then some jalapenos. And I will show you the other way. In that I am gonna use only one tortilla. And same way we will spread the beans on the tortilla. Now instead of putting the other one, we are just gonna put the same topping on the beans. So I'm adding salsa, now all the vegetables. Here goes the onions, now bell pepper. You can use any color bell peppers. Now some tomatoes. And here goes the cheese. And some jalapenos. And lastly, olives. So I have preheated my oven at 350. So now I will transfer the pizza on a baking tray, and I will put in an oven for at least 5 to 7 minutes or until the cheese get melted. So now it's ready. So now let's cut them in 4 pieces. You can see it's so crispy and crunchy, and it looks good, so delicious. And you can see that base is so crispy. I will show you the other one that we have just prepared with the one tortilla. You can see it does look same, doesn't have any difference. So you can try my way. Please try my recipe and let me know in the comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.